Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another Indian or South Asian bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for that I have created this warm toned coppery double cut crease eye look, and I have hooded eyes. So along the way I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease, double cut crease on hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. First, I'm taking this e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows. I'll be applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. I shared with you my updated eyebrow routine a couple of months ago. I will mention the link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. In that video, I shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows each time you do your makeup. Now I'm just applying the same concealer on my eyelids. I'm blending out the concealer with a damp sponge, and this particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. You can use any eyeshadow primer that you have in your collection. For me personally, a concealer just works fine. To set the concealer, I am taking this Beauty Bakery loose powder in the shade Cassava, and the brush that I am using is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Now I'm just applying a little bit of sticky tape to have that nice sharp edge. And for my eyes, first I'm mixing these two shades together from my Colourpop whatever eyeshadow palette, and I am applying it as my crease color, actually slightly above my crease. Because I have hooded eyes, you can see my natural crease right across my eyelid, and I am creating a new crease for myself. And the brush that I'm using is from Morphe. I'm just slowly building it up because I do not want any kind of patchiness, and I am applying minimum pressure, because if you apply too much pressure, then the shadows will be hard to blend. So apply a minimum pressure and just build it up. Now I'm taking Pass It On. It's a warm toned brown color, and I'm just blending out the edges so that there is a nice smooth gradient effect, and you can see the shadows are blending beautifully, and it's creating a beautiful gradient effect from a lighter shade to a darker shade. The formula of Colourpop eyeshadows, the formula is just top notch. They're pigmented, they're easy to blend, and if you want just one eyeshadow palette from Colourpop, get this one. You can have their super shock shadows, their metallic shadows. The mattes are beautiful, and you also get a very nice pressed glitter. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I'm using this lip brush from Pune store, and I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease, and I'm using small strokes because I do not want to mess up. And I am winging it out just like that. This step is totally self-explanatory, and I'm just applying the concealer wherever the brown is peeping through. I'm not applying the concealer all over on my eyelid again because I don't think it's necessary, but you can always remove the concealer, the existing concealer, and reapply the concealer again. But for me personally, I don't think it's that necessary. Now I'm just carefully blending out the concealer with the same damp sponge. Now I'm taking Taddy. It's one of the Super Shock shadows and it's a beautiful shimmery ivory color, and with this flat shader brush from Morphe I'm applying it all over my eyelid and I am kind of stamping it. The best way of applying any Super Shock shadow is either your finger or a synthetic flat shader brush like this one, and do not swipe your brush. That way the color will not be deposited evenly. Just stamp it like the way I am doing here. I'm taking this is not okay. It's a beautiful shimmery golden color with a hint of copper in it. It's actually a beautiful shade. It's a mixture between copper and gold, and I'm applying it right here on the middle part of my eyelid, and again I'm doing the same thing here. That means I'm stamping my brush. It's a beautiful metallic shimmery shade. The shimmers or the metallics in this eyeshadow palette are so good. You can see how beautiful the shade is. Now taking a matte black eyeshadow from my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and with a firm angled brush I'm just doing this double cut crease. Again, this step is totally self-explanatory. You can see what I'm doing here, and I have created a negative space that you can see. Just be patient with this step and it will be just perfect. I'm applying the black eyeshadow on the outer V area of my eyelid, and for that I'm using a small blending brush from Morphe. Now I'm taking Bad Guy. It's a reddish brown shade, and I'm applying it between the shimmer shade and that black eyeshadow just to create a gradient effect from a darker shade to a lighter shade. And you can see how beautiful it's looking, right? Like, look at the gradation. I'm taking this dark burgundy shade and I'm applying it on the border of the cut crease just to make it look prominent. And just be patient with this step because you do not want to mess it up. Just be patient and use small strokes and it will be just perfect. I'm applying a glitter eyeliner on the border of that cut crease, and the glitter eyeliner that I'm using is from Segolike or Segolike. I got it from Amazon. I will mention the link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. Again, just be patient with this step because if you mess up, then you have to remove the eye makeup and you have to start all over again. With my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in this shade Jet Black, I'm just drawing a wing here. It's a regular wing, and first I'm applying it with the applicator and then I will switch to a brush, because if you apply your eyeliner on top of glitter or shimmer or metallic shadows, it's always a good idea to use a brush. That way your eyeliner will not look streaky. Now I'm just applying my Jordana Easy eyeliner and I'm applying it on my waterline as well as I'm tightlining with it. You can use any gel eyeliner or kajal pencil that you have in your collection. Now taking the matte black eyeshadow, I'm smudging out my entire lower lash line, and I'm making my lower lash line a bit smokier, that way my eyes will appear bigger. Taking Bad Guy, I'm applying it right here on the outer part of my eyelid. Basically, I'll be following the order that I followed for my eyelid. I'm applying the shimmery, like copperish gold shade right here on the middle part of my eyelid. And I'm applying the Super Shock shadow right here on the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. I'm curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. For my falsies, I'm going with these Kiss lashes in the style Midnight. And it's done. Here's the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. I truly love the way how the entire look came together. I think this look is perfect for any outfit that you will be wearing on your big day, because those neutral shades are just perfect for any outfit. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.